Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Reflex indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Reflex indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 33 different strategies, with 9 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 436 indicators, with 180 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Alright, so today's indicator is the Reflex indicator. The creator of this indicator said that it was another one of Ehlers indicators. And so you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. Setup on this is pretty simple. It's a zero line cross. And so like most zero line crosses, when we get a cross to the upside, in this case it's going to be green. When the background turns green, we are going to go long. And then when we get a cross to the downside, the background turns purple, we are going to go short. Pretty simple setup, not much to it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so we picked up the first signal right here. It was a short signal. You can see we entered right there, and almost immediately price continued to drop to the downside there, which would have gotten us to take profit really easily. But then over here, we pick up a long signal, and just as we were getting this long signal, unfortunately, we got a pretty heavy little pullback here, and price dropped, stopping us out on that particular one. So let's go ahead and continue forward. All right, so we got a similar setup here. We pick up a short right here on this one. You can see that got us to take profit pretty easily. Then we pick up this long over here, and once again, you can see right as we start picking up this long, right as the long signal takes place, then we get a move back to the downside. Rode along here for a while, avoiding our stop, but then right here takes this nosedive, breaking this level of support here, and it did end up stopping us out. So we end up with another winner and another loser. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't take too long, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and the regular members post almost everyday market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts on multiple different time frames, different indicators, exactly where they are entering and exiting, taking profit on trades. They grow small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for all the patrons to see. The patrons love being able to follow along with those trades in their own account, practice trading, or even earn a little bit of money. As I said in the beginning of the video, you will get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, shows exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, and their win rates. And then you will get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested, shows exactly which ones were winners and losers, along with their win rates. And one new thing that we've been doing is our admin Rob has been posting every single day scanner alerts. These are crypto and Forex scanner alerts. These are his own personal scanners that he used to be a profitable trader with crypto and Forex. And so as he gets the alerts to his scanners, like I said, every single day, multiple times a day, he posts those alerts in the channel for all the patrons to see and take advantage of those trading opportunities. So there is a lot of wonderful benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. Highly recommend it. All right, so let's get back to the indicator here. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 winning trades. So all in all, not horrible. Definitely wish it would have given us more signals in 1 year's time, but it does seem like it caught the really big moves. And sometimes that can be just as important, rather than trying to catch every single little pullback and pivot, is to really be able to identify these overall large moves in the market, large directional moves in the market, and that way maybe you can narrow down into a lower time frame or even trade on this time frame. Seems like it worked out rather well, maybe a little bit of tweaking, but all in all, like I said, not too bad at all. So this one is definitely going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.